Hi, welcome to MyRank YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. If this is your first time visiting us, we would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you like our content, kindly share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to receive the latest updates. In the previous video, we have discussed about Urdhva Tiryagbhyam part 1, which is the third sutra of Vedic mathematics. Now, we are going to discuss about Urdhva Tiryagbhyam part 2. This sutra means vertically and crosswise, and it is a method for multiplying algebraic expressions by using a simple vertical and diagonal approach like x plus 2 into x plus 3 and ax plus b into cx plus d and etc. Now let us look into how to find the product of a plus 2b and 3a plus b. Step 1. Vertical multiplication. Multiplication of both the unit places, that is 2b into b equal to 2b square. Step 2. Crosswise multiplication. Multiply a by b and 2b by 3a and add, that is a into b plus 2b into 3a equal to ab plus 6ab equal to 7ab, which is 10th place. Step 3. Vertical multiplication. Multiply a by 3a, that is a into 3a equal to 3a square, which is 100th place. Now the combined answer is 3a square plus 7ab plus 2b square. Hence the product of a plus 2b and 3a plus b is equal to 3a square plus 7ab plus 2b square. Here is the traditional method for the multiplication. Example 1. Finding the product of 3a square plus 2a plus 4 into 2a square plus 5a plus 3. Step 1. Vertical multiplication. Multiplication of both the unit places, 4 into 3 equal to 12. Step 2. Crosswise multiplication. Multiply 2a by 3 and 4 by 5a and add, that is 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5a equal to 6a plus 20a, which equal to 26a. Step 3. Crosswise multiplication. Multiply 3a square by 3, 2a square by 4 and 2a by 5a and add, that is 3a square into 3 plus 2a square into 4 plus 2a into 5a equal to 9a square plus 8a square plus 10a square, which equals to 27a square. Step 4. Crosswise multiplication. Multiply 3a square by 5a and 2a square by 2a and add, that is 3a square into 5a plus 2a into 2a square equal to 15a cube plus 4a cube, which equals to 19a cube. Step 5. Vertical multiplication. Multiply 3a square by 2a square, that is 3a square into 2a square, which equals to 6a power 4. Now the combined answer is 6a power 4 plus 19a cube plus 27a square plus 26a plus 12. Hence the product of 3a square plus 2a plus 4 into 2a square plus 5a plus 3 is 6a power 4 plus 19a cube plus 27a square plus 26a plus 12. Here is the traditional method of multiplication. Here are few more examples to find the product by using this sutra. For complete free Vedic Math package, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and helpful content. Thank you.